Welcome the our channel. Today we how to update Windows services safely after updates, beginner guide step by step clearly. To ensure a safe update of Windows services after receiving updates, start by checking for the latest Windows updates. Open the Start menu and type Windows Update. Click on Windows Update Settings from the search results. In the Windows Update window, click the Check for Updates button. Allow the system to search for available updates and install them. Once updates are installed, restart your computer if prompted. After your system reboots, press the Windows key and type Services. Select the Services app from the search results. In the Services window, scroll through the list to locate the services you want to update. Right-click on each service and select Restart to refresh it. For services that fail to restart, right-click again and select Properties. In the Properties window, check the Startup Type field. Ensure it's set to automatic or manual based on your needs. After adjusting settings, click OK to save changes. If necessary, repeat this process for any other critical services. Next, open the command prompt with administrative privileges. Type sfc/scan now and press Enter to scan for system file integrity. Wait for the scan to complete, and follow any on-screen instructions. To further solidify updates, run the dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health command. This command repairs the Windows image if required. Once all commands have completed, close the command prompt. Finally, monitor your system for any issues over the next few days. This ensures that all services are operating smoothly post-update. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.